Hello friends, it's been a while since we did something together here today. I was out of action for a couple of weeks due to an injury, and I am happy to be back. So what we're going to do today is we're going to cook a lamb korma, which is more Persian than Indian, but it's widely cooked, widely eaten in the northern part of India, which is called Kashmir. Me being a Kashmiri, I love this dish. It's amazing to taste. Very simple to do, very few things that go into it. You can taste the lamb as it should taste, and it comes off extremely rich. About an inch, 1 inch by 1 inch of cinnamon that goes inside. About 8 pods of cardamom goes inside. Same number of cloves, maybe a little bit more, goes inside. And we have the black cardamom as well, about 6 of them. Goes inside. Just give it a bit of stir. Reduce the flame so that it doesn't burn. And here goes the lamb. So we're going to saute the lamb and saute it till the time it doesn't change its color entirely. Having said that, what I mean is, if you see the difference between these two pieces here, one is pink and another one is whitish. So I need the lamb to look like this, all of it, and then we will proceed with the next step. Right friends, the lamb is, as I said, change color. It's all changed now. Let's pull this one out. I don't like this. This goes here. It's not the nicest one. My butcher is kind enough to give me these lamb bones, and he gives me for free. But what they do is they give a good stock, they give a good taste to the curry. So I just add them. Once it's cooked, I just take them out and check them in the bin, and it leaves the stock. So here we are. What I'm going to do is, these are 5 green chilies that I'm going to put in now. You can add as many as you like. If you want to add whole red chili, and that will do, but red chili changes the color, so I don't want it to change the color. I add the green chili. Next thing that's going to go in is the turmeric powder. Here we go, 2 spoons of turmeric powder. Nice. Followed by, this is fennel powder. This is actually fennel and ginger powder mix, because in all Kashmiri cuisine these are the 2 basic ingredients in most of them, fennel and ginger powder. So I'm going to put maybe 3 spoons of this because I want it nicely flavored. Right, fennel powder is in. and we put 1 spoon of garam masala. And as I have been telling in all my videos, I prefer to use this. It's the stock powder. I have lamb stock here, but it may not be enough because I have 2 kilos of lamb, so I will have to put additional stock powder as well. So I'm going to put 3 teaspoons of stock powder in, and that should be it. So let's cook it up a little bit, and once it is cooked for about say 10-15 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of milk or yogurt. If you like yogurt, you can use yogurt. If you want to have milk, you can add milk. And also I have kept about 60 grams of cashew nut soaked in water, so I'm going to puree that, paste it up, and add this to this curry as it thickens the gravy up. So let's leave it cooking for now. We'll come back in 10 minutes and we will see where we are in 10 minutes, and then add the rest of the things. Lamb is nicely simmering, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of milk just to make it little extra gravy. And here I have about 60 grams of cashew paste. Just thicken it a little bit. Here it goes. And our lamb korma, Persian style lamb korma, is all set to go. The last thing that I need to do is to check if it has enough of salt. The lamb is cooked. And that should be it. As you can see, it has just started boiling now. Right, thank you very much, and I will see you soon next time. Very happy that we are opening our shops tomorrow, so I'm going to be expected to be busy for the next few days as we are opening after 4 months. And I hope that we succeed in fighting COVID-19 and see the end of it very soon. Till then, all of you take care of yourselves, be safe, be happy, and keep smiling. Bye for now.